Hey, I'm Brian Moncarz. We're in the dungeon room at Flex Studios. This is my template video. We're gonna walk you through my template and my workflow. I started in the analog world many years ago and developed a great workflow. I'd say about 5 years ago, I really wanted to figure out a way to start mixing in the box. There were certain elements about in-the-box mixing that intrigued me. At that time, plugins were starting to sound fantastic. I really love the creative ability that plugins allow you versus the outboard gear. I love the fact that you can go and automate every single parameter. You have full control over every aspect of your mix. So this template really helped me convert my workflow from the analog world into the digital world. This is my template, let's check it out.